Have you ever thought how many aspects there are to a closure? Well, it's all about assembly techniques, speed, and potential for customization. With our Continua, we can integrate a broad selection of processes and assemble several types of closures at high speeds, even very complex ones.
To respond to different market requirements, we recently diversified our range, introducing a simple machine, quick to design and install. Thanks to fixed driving cams, Easy Smart guarantees simplicity, space efficiency, and short lead times.
Reusability is another priority in today's market. That's why we developed Electra, the fully electrical machine that can be tested in a virtual world and performs any assembly operation, such as pressing, screwing and angular orientation, or a combination of all three. Ultra-high precision is ensured by sophisticated measurements to obtain perfect personalization of the spindle and a quality check of every component.
Taking flexibility to its logical limit is something we can achieve with our Index Evo Flex Rotary, the ideal platform for assembling products with several shapes and components. It features an innovative combination of torque-driven turntable and servo-controlled pick and place for vertical, horizontal and tilting movements.
One for simplicity,
One for speed,
one for precision,
and one for outstanding flexibility.
Four of a kind, the winning deal in caps and closures assembly.